Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off or disable home screen batch totally in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to the settings. Go to settings. Then here select notifications and status bar, and here select batches, and here just turn off this button, show home screen icon batches, so you will not get any batches in the home screen. Okay, before you should have seen some batches. I show how it looks like. See see here. Yeah, see, home screen app has this batch in red color. It's showing 1. In messages also it's showing 10. Okay, so this is the batch. If you would like to just completely disable this, yes, just to turn off it, so that you will not get that. Okay, so in this way you can easily disable home screen app batches in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.